And see you guys in my next video. Bye. Welcome back to my video. So in this video, I want to make a milk candy. I want to first add in my this water or margarine. This milk candy we want to make. So that's it. Anyone that wants to eat cornflakes with this milk, anything that wants to do with this milk. Let me first make my candy. Condensed milk. Powder milk. It's time to stir. In case if you want to add the vanilla flavor, those stuff, you are free to add it. But you don't want to add anything. Come on, this is not easy. You need to turn. The turn here, not be here. No. Oh, careful, sir. Come on, the turn is not easy. It's not easy at all. I'm doing my. Oh, yeah. Take one. It's still hot a bit. I know my children. So guys, our candy is ready. So this is it. My children have already started eating it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video. So this is my first time of trying it. You can also still try it too. Maybe the next one that I'm going to do now, maybe it will be different than this one. It's so yummy. So this is it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.